people. Maayong udto or magandang hapon sa ating lahat.
Are you doing
And-
live?
No, I'm not doing live. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano magluto ang aking asam na boyfriend. He doesn't even understand what I'm talking about, so because he doesn't know how to speak in Tagalog. So, nandito siya sa aking apartment. I'm sorry guys. So, itong kinakain niya. Masya kayo. Look. Ito po ang buhok niya. Ito po ang buhok niya. At ito ang kinakain niya. Anong kinakain mo, babe? What is the food that you're eating?
Grilled cheese and mung bean soup.
Do you like it?
I do.
He's the one who make mungo beans, guys.
Yes, I cooked it.
Yeah, he's the one who cook it. Do you love eating a what do you call that?
Grilled
Mungo beans?
Oh, yes.
Oh. What happened to your hair? Who fights with you?
You.
You pa. Oh,
What?
Tara. Share to my vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Hello vlog. Hello
Yeah.
vlog.
Yeah. Hey, people.
Okay, good.
Yeah, she beats me up.
Beats me up ka there. So, he didn't even say like kanang like a sign for like when someone abuse you. Alam mo to be dyan. Oh my God.
Hold on.
Huh?
Help.
Gaga. Istira.